Why companies waste millions on bad data and how to fix it. Most AI models, they fail, not because of bad algorithm, but because of bad data. And the worst part, companies don't even realize that they're wasting millions on low quality data annotation. What are the 5 ways that we can prevent this? The first one, the hidden cost of poor annotation. 80% of an AI project success depends on data quality, yet most businesses treat annotation as an afterthought. Bad labels equal to bad predictions equal to lost revenue. The second one, the myth of cheap annotation. Many companies outsource to the lowest bidder, thinking they're saving money. In reality, poor annotation leads to 2 to 5x higher cost in relabeling, model retraining, and AI failures. Third, what experts do differently. Top AI team, they invest in right vendor. The right vendor who has the expert annotators, rigorous QA processes, and AI assisted labeling to ensure high accuracy from the start. Fourth, the one metric that matters. If you're not tracking IAA, which is Inter Annotator Agreement, you're flying blind. This one metric can predict annotation quality and reduce model failure rates. Fifth, and the most simplest one, the simple fix for AI teams. Implement an active learning loop. Let your models flag uncertainty, prioritize high value correction, and continuously improve label accuracy with human in the loop annotation. If your AI relies on annotated data, you can't afford to get this wrong. If you want a deeper breakdown or a checklist for high quality data annotation, drop a data in the comments and I'll send it over. Thank you.